use some sporty expression. You said we are, let's say, only at the first. We close with this car a first phase of our product offensive. Has also more energy. We in strategic growth areas such almost 50%. But most importantly,
than 50 grams CO2 per kilometer, and I think that car. But also on the road, the car, especially with the mentioned DCC, offers a good range, really from comfortable driving to sporty driving. Yeah, continue on the technology, LED lights. We have
those cars. They have to have a family feeling, but each member of the family.
After some weeks or months of waiting, tonight here in Tarragona, we are able finally to show you the final design of the Tarraco.